Hi guys, I just got back from filming it, research area number 8, so I figured while I was still outside and got a different perspective, see what the heck's going on here. Looks like there's something looking straight at us right there. Oh, look at that. Holy crap, that is... Look right here, look. 1, 2, 3, you see that? 3 faces right there. Little baby ones, 1, 2, and then the big black one, and then follow the rest of the black stick, or what appears to be a stick. And then looks like it goes in around the wire of that tree and comes out here, and you got 1, 2, 3 profile faces. Just like I've always said. And this is definitely appears to be a dimensional bird. I mean, it looks like a galactic snake, but it's not. I can see the fur on it. But it's awful close now. Is that an optical illusion? That might be... Whoa. Is that an eyeball? Something's going on right there. Look at that. That's a face right there. And look what's coming out of the nose. If you follow that up, you'll see another face looking right at you. Real thin. Right there. And now it's turning to the right, that head. Looks like it has a little snowball on top of it. Actually, it's a baby black or dimensional bird in the white. But what the heck is the face that's on? My God! And what? Oh shit! Look at the ones to the left. What? What? Come on, guys, you're killing me here. Is it me? What? Tell me that's not an eyeball. I mean, oh, I'm getting a facial right there. Right in between the yellow thing. You see the one eyeball coming out of that? I'm still getting a facial. Now it's turning. Looks like a baby face now. That is a flippin' eyeball, man. That's fucked up. I'm sorry. That just is wrong. Oh my God. Now look behind it. Oh, I got another facial. Same one. Right where now there's a white baby and a bark-colored baby. Same face. And there's something looking right above it. Right at me. Oh, man, I got a huge facial. Hello. It looks like a baby. Come on. You gotta be kidding me, right? Now that eyeball's now turning, looks like to the left. But that guy's face above it is kind of creepy. It's still giving me a facial. I'm trying to get a picture. I'll still up one. You better watch out for that black thing that's coming after you right there. This is kind of creepy looking. Alright, the facial stopped on the baby now, so... Nope, there it is again. Sorry, I take that back. What about that dude up there? Now he's looking to the right. And then above him has horns. And that thing's moving too. What the frick? Wow, look at this shit. Let's look up here a little bit. That is a cluster of something. Look, they're still coming in, or whatever they're doing. Yep, coming from over there. Oh my god. Lordy be. Oh, there's something moving. See that thing moving in the back there? That ain't no tree. Let's see below it. Look at that moving right there, see it? Yep, now they're looking right at each other. Looks like he's got his hands over his eyes. I'm afraid to even turn this way. Hello. It's not me. They're getting stranger every day. Look at this guy. It's an optical illusion, but it's not. And that is a snake. In the very forefront. I think. Let me make sure it's not an optical illusion. It's kind of hard to tell. I was gonna try to show you how like little of the head is coming out of the bark. You know what I mean? It's mostly it's chewing on that thing, on something. What? And over here you got this thing. Whoa. Well, hello. Picture time for sure. You've got to be out of your mind. Hello. And who's that? Hello. This is just getting too easy. Hello. 3. I still don't know what this is. Look at the different colors. See, you got the black and then it just turns to a white stick. That's one of our birds. Oh, look at the size of that turkey. Whoa, 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 whoa. And then you got dimensionals coming in right there. Hi. Huh. Alright, so it's turning mostly white. And it's being held up by this furry whatever that has its mouth around that stick. What the heck? I'm sorry, this just anymore just makes me laugh. Okay, just to make it clear, that thing, that little stick is not coming out of the tree, it's going into the tree. You see what I mean? There's this head. It's actually just kind of sitting on it. And what's next to it? God only knows. Too funny. Peekaboo. Oh my God, what is that? That's gotta be one of ours, right? Wait. Oh, it has to be one of ours. Guys. That thing. It's not, is it? Shit. Hi. Shit, I thought maybe it was a bug. It's not. And now it's going out because, or something, because it's getting hazy. Oh, whoa, 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 look, it's peeking. What? Yeah, I see you looking in like 5 dimensions. But oh my God, he's smiling and talking. Oh my God. Hello. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. Look at the face changing. Now it's turning into me lady for a second. And now it's going to turn its head and it's going to look totally different. What is it doing? It's getting closer. Like random ways I can't. Okay. Wow. So the stick's moving down right there. There's another face. Shit. Oh my God. And this one right here won't clear up. Look at this right here. What is that? What is that? Oh my God. Okay, look, that thing is clearing up on the right. Look. What could that be? A fairy? Wow. Now see, it's getting... Now look how clear they are right there. The guy on the left and the green one. Okay, now. That was badass, but... Let's see what else we can see. Okay. That's the beginning of the bamboo. Okay, and there's an X, and that certainly doesn't look like a tree. What's coming in right here? Okay, that's a little suitcase right there. I can see that. Alright, let me see what I can see with my own eyes. Whoa, we gotta check out over here. If I can get past the cars. Holy shit. Whoa. What is that snake-like thing that looks... It's silver. Right there. Then you have your black... Whoa. The black of the black. Now obviously that tree doesn't go with that tree. I don't know what's more interesting. I think this thing is. What the frickin'? I live here on purpose? Alright, that is not a tree back there. Whatever that is. This. The lighter part, like, I don't know. How many dimensions back, but just watch it, don't move. There it goes. Hi. What do you think that is? Look. Here. Ah, come on. Looks like it's in a little basket. Right here. Well, look up there. Oh, I see what I'm looking at. Okay, hold on. Uh-oh. What is that? Okay. Branches go toward the sun. Okay, I am due east. Uh-oh, what's that? What is this? Alright, that is a humongous calf. Hold on, something's behind me. Oh, Kath, you're here? Sorry. Whoa, what's that? Hold on! Wow, look at this. What that black thing is. I'm zoomed way out, shit. Alright, I'll check it out later. See you guys.